And we are back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own graphic styles in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with the view in the top menu. We've got the smart guides and snap to point only activated. I've got no stroke and a fill color, and I've swapped the colors. I use the line segment tool and I hold shift, and you can see if I increase the stroke weight what we've got here. Go to window and open your appearance menu. It's this little icon up there, and here we can adjust the stroke to black. As well, we can give it a different color. Let's do that. I'll go one step down to the fill. We've got no fill, and here you can add a fill or a stroke, and we want to add a stroke. Let me change the color to black. It has the same size, and now let me make the top stroke invisible, and you can see the black one is right beneath the red stroke, and if I increase the size it exceeds the borders of the red one. I want to add some more strokes, and I alternate between a red and white. Let me add yet another layer. One is white, and the final one will be red again. You can still adjust every single stroke, the color or the stroke weight, whatever you want to adjust. Now we need the graphic styles menu. You can go to window and open it there. Make sure that your line element is selected and then drag it inside of the graphic styles. I double click on it and I rename it to tutorial graphic style. There's a typo. Let me add the I and press OK. So it's there now. We can delete this line segment. Now let me make the stroke black for now, and I'll add a simple shape, kind of like a C. It doesn't matter what you do, I'll just show you what happens, and I use the pen tool for that. Simply left click. That's it, so it's all black. Select it, and now simply click on your graphic styles, and it will be applied automatically to our shape, and that way you can simply add such effects. Let me create a copy. I hold Alt, drag it out of there, then right click transform, and I do that 2 times, once vertically, once horizontally, and I put it right there. And the second one, I can still adjust it via the appearance menu. Simply select it, open your appearance menu with the icon over here, and now I can change the colors, for example to green tones. So that way you don't adjust the graphic style that we've created, but you can, if you apply the graphic style, always adjust the appearance. And that saves a lot of time, especially in logo design. If you want to adjust it further, make sure to have it selected and then expand the appearance, and you can treat it as shapes. For example, right click and ungroup it, and then delete one of these strokes. You can see the bottom part is now visible. The same goes for the other one. So it is very helpful in logo design to create faster solutions. And this is everything I wanted to show you about graphic styles in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.